I bought this nice bird feeder here at a local bird store, but my problem was it's not squirrel proof, and I didn't feel like paying 30 bucks or whatever for a big baffle. So I had this piece of 4-inch PVC laying around from some plumbing work I was doing in the house, and then all I did was I bought a top cap, drilled a hole in it, I put a little self-tapping screw there, just it holds it on. You could also, if you have a solid pole, I don't have any little ones, but it's like for a dryer, but you could get one of these guys, and if you cinch it up on the pole, it'll stay on there and it won't go nowhere. And all you do, seriously, it's a few bucks and it works great. I'll post some videos on how it works, but that's Bo right there. He just likes chasing them. Don't matter. Yeah, it works great. That's the only thing I found that worked. I tried the slinky, I tried greasing the pole. Greasing the pole works, but you got to do it twice a day every day. The slinky, they figure out how to do it in about a day. So yeah, that's what I got going on. It works. And a side note, if you don't like the lettering on the PVC, all you need is some brake cleaner or carb cleaner. You spray it on there, it'll wipe right off, no problem. So